Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today's video, I'm going to be explaining or showing you guys how I was able to manage this. You know, I know you've seen me with this hair before, but guess what? I did not use any glue whatsoever. No gel, no glue, no nothing. Guess what I used? I used an elastic band because I am tired of using the glue and the gel and whatnot, the bolt hold, because guys, those things destroy your edges over time. So the best way I think is using this, because this is actually fit and secure. You can be able to adjust it to your own liking. Fortunately, the hair that I'm wearing, I did it off camera and I was like, this is content, it needs to be done. I also fix it on my curly hair. And the only one that was remaining is this straight wig. I haven't done nothing yet. This is how I store my wigs. I braid them, I wash them and braid them. So we are going to be putting the elastic here on this wig. If you are interested, then keep on watching this video. Without further ado, let us jump right in. I have a 4-inch elastic band. I wasn't able to get a smaller size, so what I'm going to be doing, because I can't put 4-inch on my head, guys, no, I'll be measuring and then cutting it into 2 inches. The measurement of the elastic band that you need to use on your head, it should be from behind the ear, just here, not the temple of your head. It should be right here, just above your ear, and take that round like this to the other ear. So mine measured 12. My head is not big, guys. I have a small or medium-sized head. So my hair is 12, and I'm going to be using my mannequin to do all this. It is advised that when you are measuring your elastic band, you do not get the 12. You are going to measure. You do not get the 12. You are going to need to half of it and then add 2 more inches. Yeah, that's the correct way. So we are going to be cutting, I'll be cutting mine at 8. I'm going to be sewing it on the wig, on the temple point of the wig, and then we put it on and see how it looks. Okay, that's enough of the talking, girl. Let's get to work. This is how your wig should be looking like. Make sure that when you're sewing it in the wig, that this elastic band lays at the back like this, because if it doesn't lay at the back like this, there's a problem, yeah. And it needs to be in that angle of the head, the back side, so you can see from one ear goes around my head onto the other ear. So I'm going to put this on and show you guys how it looks like. As you can see right now, the wig is snug. See this? It's not going anywhere even when I lift it. I'm going to be using my mannequin head to make my hairline so that it actually looks good. Here is the hair after I have done a lot, yeah. So I straightened it out, and this is the length that we have. I have two big pigtails. That's why my head looks big. I do not have cornrows. Anyway, that's not the point. So probably this is the hair. I think this is the hair that I'm going to be wearing this week. For some while I need to change. So as you can see, the lace is not my skin tone. So this is the lace tint spray that I got. I got this from Jumia. I'll leave a link if you are interested. I got brown in color. I'm not trying to promote anyone, so that's why I'm hiding the brand, yeah. And I'm going to be spraying this and then drying it up with a blow dry. I hope you guys can see the difference, the before and after. This is what it looks like. I know I already have a wig cap. Sometimes I don't like wearing the wig cap, so that's why I tinted this spray. Sorry, that's why I tinted this. Oh my god, you guys. that is it for today's video. If you know you like this video, you better like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.